to get another. They want me to get another plate of food. They done filled me up so much. Thank you, sister. I appreciate it. I said they filled me up so much I can't even open up the door. Hold on. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I just touched down. Well, yesterday I touched down in Newark, New Jersey. So your boy's out here in Jersey. And so far, let's get into this. Oh, man. Let's start off with United Airlines. Man, United Airlines is so janky that they are literally cramming people into the airplane and not providing any type of services to the people who are on the flight and charging astronomical prices for changing seats or moving seats around and doing all that type of stuff, which is like, man, I know that this is a new part of what the airlines have to do to squeeze the blood out of you, but man, for what you're paying for, you're not getting quality anymore. And it's outrageous the type of things that you experience on these flights for paying quality dollars. Yeah, so anyway, now I'm just gonna take the glasses off because there's just like this bad reflection. Anyway, so I'm gonna post this, what I had to sit through for a 5-hour flight out here to Jersey. It was so uncomfortable. It was so crammed. Like you could literally smell people's fart. Like people were like farting on the plane. And if it wasn't fart and it was just body odor, it was like horrendous. It was like no air. United has to do a better job. First of all, even if they did serve food on the airline, you would have been so grossed out because you're so close together that you could literally smell the armpits of someone. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna post this little clip down there to let you see like exactly how I had to sit for like this entire flight. Okay, so skip all of that. So get to Jersey, it's all good. Everything was moving so fast I couldn't even get to, shoot the little drive around that we did to get to my kinfolk's house or whatever. But then we left from there, and this is like the highlight of my trip so far. Went to this soul food restaurant because I just Googled best food in the area or whatever from my kinfolk house, and man, I found this spot. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. Hold on one second. I found this spot, and the name of this spot is Cornbread Soul to Farm. And I'm like, that sounds like right up my alley. So me and my cousin, we pulled up to the to this place, and I thought it was like a real well, it was a sit down restaurant, but not the type of sit down restaurants that you would like, oh, how many people for your table. It was more of like I don't know how do you like explain this, like kind of like a buffet style, but they're on the other side and they kind of like serve you up the food and then you sit down and you dine in or whatever. But I'm telling you guys, this food was so fire. I mean, this is some of the best soul food that I've ever had. I mean, it was amazing. It was amazing. So I gotta shout this place out, man. This place is so fire. If you're ever in New Jersey or Newark, I don't even know because it's like Newark and New Jersey or whatever. But if you're ever in the area, I'm gonna put the flyer and I'm gonna try to tag them in this YouTube video. But if you're ever in the area, come and check them out, man. They are, man, The customer service was top notch. The food was top notch. The environment was like on the inside, really, really nice environment. It was really, really cool. My cousin, we lucked up and found parking like right in the front. So it was like, for us, it was no parking issues, but this is our first time in the area. We're just dipping around and we just happen to luck up and find parking. But if you guys are ever in the area, come and check this place out. So anyway, guys, it's like super duper early in the morning. I'm starving right now. I tried to go get breakfast in the hotel, but they don't open till 7 o'clock. So I was like, you know what, let me run back up here and shoot a video. So I'm gonna drop this video right now. And as you can see, the sun is barely coming up out here. I'm up, I'm on, I don't know what time I'm on right now, but I'm up. And so I'm like, you know what, let me drop a video, and then hopefully later on in the day, I could do a little shooting of New Jersey and what's going on and let you guys see the sights. This is my first time out here on this in Jersey, so new for me, new for you. And you guys know the motto on the page, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.